My son is 3 and we've been using this set to like practice. There's a whole bunch of tools that come with the set, but this is probably his favorite. We're starting small so that he can learn proper etiquette. So he uses this a lot to play with Play-Doh. And then as far as food goes, I've had him like cut his own bananas and cucumbers so far. Comes with a cutting board, comes with like this little, I could not find it, the little wooden thing with the dinosaur on it. Some choppers, like all of them are such a fun Play-Doh set for now until we get a little bit older. And I do have him help cut his pancakes and, you know, things like that. But this set is really cool. He absolutely loves playing with all of the stuff, and it's helping us learn how to properly treat utensils and things like that in a safe way. And I love it. This set is awesome.